एमपीसीए के मंच पर एक बार फिर ऐसी तस्वीर दिखी जिस पर सबकी निगाहें टिक गई। एक तरफ केंद्रीय मंत्री और सिंधिया राजघराने के महाराज ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया तो दूसरी तरफ एमपीसीए की कमान संभाल रहे युवराज महाआर्यमन सिंधिया। पिता पुत्र की इस जोड़ी के बीच उपलब्धियों की चर्चा हुई और युवराज ने मंच से पिता की कही एक खास बात का जिक्र कर दिया। देखिए ये खास रिपोर्ट। एमपीसीए के मंच पर महाराज और युवराज ने सुनाया महाराज का किस्सा। पिता की बात का जिक्र कर बोले युवराज, एक साल में बहुत कुछ कर दिया बेटा। महाआर्यमान बोले, टीम का है पूरा श्रेय।
एमपी न्यूज पर नहीं देखा तो कहीं नहीं देखा।
मध्य प्रदेश क्रिकेट संगठन के वार्षिक पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह में क्रिकेटरों के सम्मान के साथ साथ सिंधिया परिवार की भी नई पीढ़ी की झलक देखने को मिली। एमपीसीए के चेयरमैन महाआर्यमन सिंधिया और केंद्रीय मंत्री ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया की मौजूदगी ने मंच को खास बना दिया। महाआर्यमन सिंधिया ने बातचीत के दौरान अपने पिता ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया की एक खास बात का जिक्र किया। उन्होंने बताया कि जब घर में उनकी उपलब्धियों को लेकर चर्चा होती है तो पिता कहते हैं, बेटा तुमने एक साल में इतना कुछ कर दिया।
His life and career are a wonderful example about how talent, when combined with hard work, resilience, discipline, humility, can lead to lasting excellence. We are truly honored to have you with us as our guest of honor today. Tonight, of course, is an evening to celebrate achievement, the players who have performed, the teams who have succeeded, and the individuals that have dedicated their life towards MPCA and cricket. But I believe it is also an opportunity to reflect something larger, where Madhya Pradesh cricket stands today, how far we have come, and where we want to go next. But before I get into that, I'd like to congratulate all our awardees, our Lifetime Achievement Award recipients whose contribution to our game extends far beyond statistics. I congratulate the three recipients of our Nishkam Karam Yogi Awards, individuals that have served cricket with dedication, often without seeking recognition. I congratulate all our international players who continue to carry the name of Madhya Pradesh into the biggest and largest stages. Our boys of the under-19 team, our women's team, the winners of our various MPCA domestic championships, and the divisions that are recognized through the MPCA incentive scheme for amazing contribution on administration. Awards recognize achievement, but more importantly, they recognize the standards and the values we want to propagate in Madhya Pradesh via cricket. And perhaps there is no better place to begin with than to also congratulate some of our players, and one of them being Saransh Jain. Saransh became the newest test cricketer from Madhya Pradesh, which is a matter of immense pride for all of us. He joins a distinguished list of cricketers from Madhya Pradesh, such as Sir Colonel C.K. Naidu, Saeed Mushtaq Ali ji, Rajesh Chauhan ji, Naman Oja ji, and of course Rajat. But what makes his journey particularly inspiring is the road that he has taken. I remember a couple of years ago, I had a conversation with him where he had called me, and then last year even come and met me regarding his position in Test cricket. And I gave him a very simple message. I said, the selectors are watching you closely. We remain behind you. Please be focused, keep performing, and when the time is ready, the opportunity will come. And there it is, the opportunity has arrived. He did exactly that, and today we are celebrating him as a Test cricketer. I'm saying this because this is an important example and a lesson for every young cricketer from Madhya Pradesh. His reward is thoroughly deserved.
युवराज महाआर्यमन ने कहा कि निश्चित तौर पर एक साल में बहुत कुछ हुआ है और कई उपलब्धियां हासिल हुई हैं, लेकिन इसका पूरा श्रेय वह अकेले खुद को नहीं देते। उन्होंने कहा कि वह खुद भाग्यशाली मानते हैं कि उनके साथ एक बेहद मजबूत और अच्छी टीम खड़ी है।
Perhaps one of the most defining team achievements of our season was something in the lines of the Coach Bihar Trophy. This year, after 38 years, Madhya Pradesh has finally come to a table where we can celebrate this trophy, and thanks to the team that has brought us this victory. So a huge round of applause to you. Throughout the campaign, whenever circumstances were against this team, they found a way to come back. A very young Kushagra Nagar playing his first match at this level produced an outstanding innings of 71 in the final. Yashvardhan Singh made important contributions with both the bat and the ball. And Manal Chauhan led his young side with maturity, composure, and most importantly, by example. This trophy therefore represents something much bigger than one championship. It represents resilience, the ability to respond when things do not go according to plan, and the ability to believe that a match is not simple and a match always has some obstacle or the other coming your way. But it is up to us how we face those obstacles and how we overcome them with our self-confidence and our team spirit. When we look across Indian cricket today, there is another encouraging sign, which is the number of MP players progressing beyond the state level. Across India A, India Youth, the IPL and the WPL, we have seen players all across this chain continue to progress. And of course, we are extremely proud of Rajat, who added another remarkable chapter to his career with a two-time MPL championship. But the significance of all these names goes beyond individual success. They tell us that MPCA as a pathway is increasingly capable of producing players who can compete at the highest level. Our responsibility now is to make that pathway broader, stronger, and more consistent. It should not matter where a player comes from. Indore, Gwalior, Bhopal, Jabalpur, Rewa, or the smallest cricketing centre. Talent must have a pathway, and that's what we aim to produce at MPCA. And perhaps one statistic tells the stories of our entire season better than the other. 9 of our 15 teams reached the knockout or the Super League stages of the BCCI tournament. Winning one trophy gives us a wonderful moment to celebrate, but 9 teams reaching the latter stages tells us something even more important. Our strength is becoming systematic. That is the difference between one successful team and a strong cricketing organization.
एमपीसीए के मंच पर पिता और पुत्र की जोड़ी ने एक अलग ही तस्वीर पेश की। एक तरफ राजनीतिक के मैदान में केंद्रीय मंत्री ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया तो दूसरी तरफ क्रिकेट प्रशासन में अपनी अलग पहचान बनाने की कोशिश करते युवराज महाआर्यमन सिंधिया। पिता की तारीफ, बेटे का टीम को श्रेय और एमपीसीए के मंच पर दोनों की मौजूदगी। जाहिर है महाराज और युवराज की इस जोड़ी पर अब सिर्फ क्रिकेट जगत ही नहीं बल्कि मध्य प्रदेश के सियासी गलियारों में भी नजरें टिकी हुई हैं। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, एमपी न्यूज, इंदौर।
एमपी न्यूज पर नहीं देखा तो कहीं नहीं देखा।